Hello everybody, I thought I'd just show you this range of greetings cards that we've just launched. We're calling them Beach Folk. So the first one that we did was this one of a young lady taking her pooch for a walk, and she's obviously got a dog poop bag and all the bits and bobs. So on the back of it, it says this card was handmade in Cleveleys from an original design by Derek Littlewood at the Seaside Emporium. So that was the first one that we did. And then we've got the guy that collects driftwood. We all know that guy, don't we? And he's got a little fire on the back of his card. And then the next one is the photographer. And they're probably all lined up taking pictures at Mary's shell. And on the back of that one, it's a swallow as the imprint on the reverse. So my birthday's in summer, and I said that I wouldn't want a birthday card with a wintry dog walker on it when my birthday's in the middle of summer. So this is version 2, and this is walking the dog in summer. And she's got her sausage dog on the back. So this is the last one currently available, but there will be more to come. And this is our friendly gardener. So he's potting his plants up, he's out in the garden, and on the back of his card he's got a little basket of potted plants. So each one of these cards, I'll just put that one there, each one of these cards is printed on a high quality glossy paper. You can see the reflection on it there. It's quite a thick card, and it has a white interleaved sheet inside it, which is blank for your own message. And then they come presented in a cellophane bag with obviously with a white envelope, neatly sealed. So if you want to give it to somebody as a gift, you can do that as well. And you'll have noticed that each one of these cards has got either wording or words written on the front of them. So where we've just dropped a template, you can choose which greeting you actually want to see on your card. So there's a range of different options, things like happy birthday, happy anniversary, thinking of you, all that kind of stuff. So there you go. Very different, personalised greetings cards from the Seaside Emporium.